Hey guys, we received this ACEMAGICIAN mini gaming PC AMD Ryzen 7 6800H mini PC with 16GB DDR5 512GB hard disk or SSD and a mini computer. This we received for test and try. You see it comes in a really nice box, and then this have 8C by 16T up to 4.7 gigahertz. 4K triple display mini desktop, computers with 3.2 Type C, LAN, and other things. So you can see here that this is a really mini gaming PC that will be helpful and for playing any games. And this have this 2.5 gigs BTS 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6. So this have the dual channel and all these accessories and adapter here. So this is for the monitor back, HDMI cable, power adapter, and power cord. So this is all that comes with it, and it's a very nice box, mini box. I can feel like the silkiness that this is for the ports. So the LAN port and your USB and USB-C, power cord, and everything. So with the ventilated air, and these are the new port, two USB and one USB-C. So I'm just hiding this just as a personal information, but this have this rubber stopper and the space for dissipating the heat. So Ryzen 7 6800. I also have 5800H, which I tried for the gaming before. And let's see like what is the difference. So this is my 5800H with Ryzen 7, and this is also a mini gaming PC. And this one is the 6800, and this is also a mini gaming PC. So both are the gaming PC, and I tested this 5800 before, and so it's good, fast, and it's playing all my games. I don't have any lag in the 5800, but let's see like what is the difference with this 6800H. So while I install the games, it's pretty fast and like faster than the 5800H. And then this is the gaming thing that I see with this 5800 and the 6800. So I installed this game. This is a Hot Wheel game that I installed. Installation is pretty fast, no issues. I also connected this controller with the Bluetooth, and Bluetooth connection is also very fast and no issues with that. So I just fast forward this game so that you can see. But as you can see, like the display is good, the gaming card and graphic cards and everything work fine. This 6800 is a pretty fast than the 5800 version, and I can clearly see like graphics and the power of this computer. So this mini PC gaming computer is good for games. As you can see that I don't have any issue with the Bluetooth connection, the Wi-Fi, or the game installation, or the speed of the processor, and it works really fine. Also, like you can connect like the speakers and everything with it. There are multiple ports, so I cannot get to the speakers because the Amazon don't like it. So in video, I just muted the speaker tone. So you can attach like everything, and this pretty fast, no issues with the gaming thing. You can install all the heavy games and play and enjoy with this mini gaming PC. This PC is good for gaming as well as your normal daily things, YouTube and other browsing stuff.